स्टूडेंट्स, आज के इस YouTube चैनल पर आप तमाम बच्चों का रमन क्लासेस की ओर से हार्दिक स्वागत। I myself, Raman Kumar Yadav, has brought a nice video for class 11th chemistry for CBSE only. This is the chapter 1, some basic facts of chemistry. In today's video, I would like to explain ABC of chemistry, importance and its scopes, nature of matter. These all facts I would like to discuss. First of all, I would like to say to all students, you will show your 100% dedication, 100% concentration towards your studying. Only the tireless effort is the secret key of success. I would like to say to students, without skipping my video, please maintain the continuity at the end of this video. Without wasting time, I would like to come to the point. First of all, do you know what is science? The real and systematic knowledge of the world obtained from experience and observations of men is known as science. I have just explained here. What do you mean by science? It is the real. Real means actual and systematic. Systematic, step by step. A study of actual facts. Actual facts means real facts. Whatever we get after doing experiments. Really, suppose that we take an example. We take a coin and that is tossed at random and we get the result either head or tail. Here the coming of either head or tail, this is also the result. This is also the outcome. In the same way, whatever we perform different types of activity and whatever we get just as the observation, that observation is also collected in the proper order. That is also called as science. Really the term science has taken from Latin word scientia. Scientia means knowledge. Scientia का means knowledge होता है. To make a study easier, science has been classified into 3 categories. In how many categories? In 3 categories: physics, chemistry and biology. Do you know, children, what do you mean by physics? The branch of science which deals with the study of the force of attraction, the force of repulsion, their nature, magnitude and results. We study about motion. We also study about gravitation, about work, energy, power, different kinds of energy. We also study about electricity and light. These all are studied under physics. Really, physics gives a lot of techniques for solving different numerical problems. Now, let us study about chemistry. Chemistry, this is the branch of science in which we study about matter, its composition and applications. It means chemistry, it is the branch of science. It is the branch of science in which we study about matter, its composition and applications. Applications means use. It is a branch of science in which we study about matter. What is the composition of that matter? What are uses of that matter? With the help of chemistry, we can able to identify the substance is either pure or impure. With the help of composition, we can able to decide substance is pure or impure. This is the application of chemistry. In this way, you have got the information about chemistry. Father of chemistry, do you know? That is Lavoisier. Lavoisier. This is the father of chemistry. Now, in biology, we study about life. Shortly I say here, life of living beings such as plants and animals. Father of biology, that is Aristotle. After giving the ABC of elementary idea of science, I would like to discuss what the importance of chemistry in everyday life. What are the main scopes of chemistry? Why do we study chemistry? Children, first of all, learn what the importance of chemistry. Really, having chemistry, having life. No chemistry, no life. I would like to explain this one. Having chemistry, having life. No chemistry, no life. It means that I myself is also the example of matter. I myself is also the example of matter. Our body also has the mass. It also takes a space. That's why I also the example of matter. Matter generally exists into solid state, liquid state, or in gaseous states. Table, bench, desk, book, paper, rubber, cutter, eraser. These all are the solid states. Water, kerosene, petrol, diesel. These are the liquid state of matter. Whereas hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These all are the gaseous state of matter. I have just given the elementary idea. What the importance of chemistry? Why do we study? Suppose that we fall in ill. What do? We consult with the doctor. And doctor also writes the different types of tests for the getting the observation record. The doctor can able to find out what kind of components, what kind of minerals have been slower in the body, what is the sugar level in the blood. These all are recorded with the help of the chemistry. Then the doctor writes the proper medicine for getting rid of any disease. Then the patient gets recovered. Another, there are various importance of chemistry. It is used in agricultural science. Different types of fertilizers such as ammonium phosphate, ammonium silicate, urea, potash, chemical formula is KOH, caustic soda, NaOH, urea, NH2CO, NH2. These all are made in factory. This is also the application of chemistry. Chemistry is also used in different fields. It is also used in biology. Scientists say that photosynthesis is the biological process. But the Melvin Kelvin, in the mechanism of photosynthesis, Melvin Kelvin says that photosynthesis is not the biological process, but this is the biochemical process. यह biochemical process है. The chemical reaction also involves in the formation of preparation of food. In the formation of food, this food is also stored in the form of starch in the plant body cell. In this way, I have just explained photosynthesis, which occurs in biology. This is the part of biology. The photosynthesis, this is also takes place by the application of chemistry. It is also used in agricultural science. These days, agriculture has been the main occupation for get high yield of different variety of food grains. Different variety of fertilizers are added to the soil so that soil can maintain its fertility and also give high produce. In this way, you have learnt in agricultural science, chemistry is also utilized. Further, It is also used in geology. If we want to study about the energy, chemical energy, that chemical energy is also produced by volcanic eruptions. Due to earthquake, when the volcanic eruption happens, a lot of energy is also produced. That energy is also turned up in the form of heat energy. यह एनर्जी हीट एनर्जी के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट होता है. दिस एनर्जी also comes by the application of chemistry. Further, different types of actions also happen in our solar system. The sun also gives sunlight to us. The sun, in the interior core of the sun, there is a plasma state of matter. सन के इंटीरियर कोर में प्लाज्मा स्टेट होता है. Under this plasma state, there is a mixture of atom and ion. When atom changes in the form of ion, a lot of energy is also produced by the nuclear fusion process. German scientist Hans Bethe explained the hydrogen lies in the core of the sun. This hydrogen also strikes with the another hydrogen atom, and after combination, hydrogen is changed in the form of helium. A lot of energy is also generated. That is the solar energy. This solar energy is also available to the earth by the radiation process. Here, chemical reaction also involves in the interior part of the sun. That is also the application of chemistry. In this way, children, you have learnt about the various importance of chemistry. This is the main reason for studying chemistry. Several varieties of fertilizers which are made in the industry or factory on the large scale to get high production of different variety of food grains. That is also possible by the application of chemistry. There are different types of diseases which are caused in the living body. We can also get rid of from this disease by the utilization of medicine in proper dose. That is also the application of chemistry. As I think, children, you have understood what the importance of chemistry, what is its scope, and why do we study. Now, without wasting time, I would like to discuss on the nature of matter. आइए यहाँ देखते हैं on the nature of matter. First of all, do you know what do you mean by matter? Anything which occupies a space and having mass is called matter. Water, soil, blood, paper, rubber, cutter, eraser, etc. whatever we see. Here it does not mean that whatever we do not see, that is not a matter. मैंने ऐसा नहीं कहा कि जो हम देखते हैं वो मैटर है. ये तो सही है. और जो चीज नहीं देखते हैं वो भी मैटर है. But we will have to study about the internal world of that substance too. Can we able to see air? क्या हम लोग एयर को देख सकते हैं? We cannot able to see air, but we can feel by the trembling of leaves. Leaves के trembling से we can able to see. We can able to feel. Air also has mass and it also gains space on the earth. That is also matter. But there are some terms which are not matter. कुछ ऐसा terms है जो matter नहीं है. Childhood, brotherhood, oldhood, friendship, enemyship, foeship, love, affection, sorrow, hatred. These are not matters. I have just explained about this one. Now matter, on the basis of the nature of matter, we also classify chemistry into different categories. I have just mentioned on the board. Another is inorganic chemistry, third is physical chemistry, or fourth is analytical chemistry. How many parts of chemistry have? Children, कृपया ध्यान दें. Whatever I am going to tell, there are 4 kinds of chemistry. Chemistry has been classified into 4 branches to make a study easier. One is organic chemistry, another is inorganic chemistry, third is physical chemistry, and fourth is analytical chemistry. Organic chemistry, the branch of chemistry in which we study about hydrocarbon, about organic compounds. ऐसा केमिस्ट्री जिसमें हम ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स के बारे में पढ़ते हैं, दैट इज द ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. डू यू नो व्हाट आर ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स? अ काइंड ऑफ कंपाउंड्स व्हिच आर मेड ऑफ कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन ओनली. अ काइंड ऑफ कंपाउंड्स व्हिच आर मेनली मेड ऑफ कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन ओनली. दीज आर ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स. जनरली इन दिस केमिस्ट्री वी स्टडी अबाउट हाइड्रोकार्बन. इस केमिस्ट्री में हम लोग हाइड्रोकार्बन के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. हाइड्रोकार्बन, अ कंपाउंड मेड ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एंड कार्बन. अ कंपाउंड मेड ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एंड कार्बन, ऐसा कंपाउंड जो हाइड्रोजन और कार्बन से बना हुआ हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज हाइड्रोकार्बन. आई एम गिविंग सेवरल एग्जाम्पल्स. यू विल मेंटेन द कंटिन्यूटी. शो योर डिवोशन इन लॉट. मीथेन, CH4. I have just written here CH4, methane, C2H6, ethane, C4H10, butane, methane, ethane, propane, butane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane. These are the hydrocarbon. They belong to alkane. यह alkane से belong करता है. You will study about this hydrocarbon in organic chemistry. Organic chemistry में आप पढ़ेंगे. There are various compounds which are hydrocarbon, such as benzene. Chemical formula is C6H6. Phenol, C6H5OH, phenol. Aniline, C6H5NH2, aniline. Toluene, C6H5CH3, toluene. Several compounds are there. Just as the example of hydrocarbon, what are some important? These are mentioned. In organic chemistry, you will study about the hydrocarbon in detail. Later on, in the next video, I will express this one. Inorganic, this is the branch of chemistry in which we study about the inorganic compounds. केमिस्ट्री का वह ब्रांच जिसमें हम लोग स्टडी करते हैं इनऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स का, जैसे अमोनियम साइनेट, NH4CnO, अमोनियम साइनेट, इनऑर्गेनिक. अमोनियम फॉस्फेट, दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर. दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर. अमोनियम फॉस्फेट, दिस इज वाइडली यूज्ड बाय द फार्मर. दैट इज द इनऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स. Several sulfatic compounds, sodium sulfate, sodium carbonate, potassium sulfate, potassium carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate, sodium nitrate, these all are belong to inorganic chemistry. How we can get different variety of metals from an ore, this is also studied in inorganic chemistry. I have just explained about organic chemistry as well as inorganic chemistry. Now let us study about the physical chemistry. Physical chemistry is one in which we study about the physical state of matter. We study about the physical state of matter, its composition and its application for solving numerical problems. Pay attention. What kind of matter it is? Solid, liquid or gas. We also study about the law of chemical combination. We also study about the different types of theories such as Dalton's atomic theory, Rutherford's atomic model, Bohr's atomic model. These all are studied about physical chemistry. Now, next branch of chemistry, that is analytical chemistry. Analytical, such type of chemistry which is completely based on description ऐसा केमिस्ट्री जो डिस्क्रिप्शन पर बेस्ड हो. इट इज फुल्ली बेस्ड ऑन एनालिटिकल फैक्ट्स. यह फुल्ली एनालिटिकल फैक्ट्स पर डिपेंड करता है. टू मेक स्टडी इजियर, this analytical chemistry is also classified into different branches. One is biochemistry. Few minutes back I have said photosynthesis, which takes place in plants. The chemical reaction also involves, especially in green plant, carbon dioxide and water. They chemically react in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. A lot of energy is also generated in the form of ATP. Starch is also formed. That starch is also stored in the plant cells, which are responsible for the survival of plant, for the proper growth of the plants. That is the biochemistry. This is studied under biochemistry. Further, medicinal chemistry. To make a study easier, if we want to study about the different types of medicines, what is the composition of medicine, what kind of role of this medicine, what kind of disease can be cured, this is studied under the medicinal chemistry. As for example, cisplatin, Taxol, AZT, azithromycin. This is the medicine used for curing AIDS. Another, you may have heard the name of cobalt-60. That is used in the chemotherapy of cancer. Chemotherapy of cancer patient. कैंसर के ट्रीटमेंट में cobalt-60 isotope is used. In this way, you have got the information about the medicinal chemistry. Now, let us study another branch of chemistry, that is soil and agricultural chemistry. Soil and agricultural chemistry. In this branch of chemistry, we study about the nature of soil. हम soil के nature का study करते हैं. If the soil is acidic, then we have to use basic fertilizer. When we add basic fertilizer in the agricultural field, then soil will become healthy. Soil healthy हो जाता है, and soil will gain the fertility, and we can get high production of different variety of food grains that is responsible for sustaining life. Agriculture. Suppose that soil is basic. Soil आपका basic है, and if we use basic fertilizer, then what will we do? When soil is of basic nature and we add some basic fertilizer, what will happen? Soil will be suffered with the hyperbasicity. Soil will be suffered with the hyperbasicity. It means that soil will be barren in nature. Soil barren हो जाएगा, बंजर हो जाएगा, infertile हो जाएगा. No production of food grains happen. For this point of view, we also study chemistry. Next है geochemistry. Geo माने होता है अर्थ, chemistry. It is a branch of science. It is a branch of chemistry in which we also study about the different variety of chemical energy produced from inside the earth. That is the geochemistry. Due to volcanic eruptions, a lot of chemical energy is also produced. So this is studied under geochemistry. Further, industrial chemistry. In industry, different types of chemicals are also made. Different types of chemicals are also made. These chemicals may be of the different kinds. या different kinds का हो सकता है. Aluminium silicate, ammonium phosphate. This type of chemicals, it is also used for many purposes. We also say polythene. Polythene is also made in the factory or industry. Polythene large scale में factory और industry में बनता है. दिस ऑल्सो हैपेंस बाय द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ केमिस्ट्री, यह केमिस्ट्री के एप्लीकेशन से ही संभव है। तो दिस इज द इंडस्ट्रियल केमिस्ट्री। नाउ वी स्टडी अबाउट द न्यूक्लियर केमिस्ट्री। न्यूक्लियर केमिस्ट्री, इन दिस केमिस्ट्री वी स्टडी about the nuclear reaction. In this chemistry, we study about the nuclear reaction. Nucleus के अंदर होने वाला reaction. As for example, hydrogen present in the core of the sun. This also strikes together. Hydrogen present in the core of the sun also combines with another and this changes into helium. Hydrogen जिसका एटॉमिक नंबर 1 और मास नंबर 1 है, दिस ऑल्सो स्ट्राइक्स विद द अनदर आफ्टर कॉम्बिनेशन, यानी बाय न्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन, दिस चेंजेस इनटू हीलियम एटम। तो यहाँ कर दीजिए हाइड्रोजन का मास 2, यहाँ भी हाइड्रोजन का मास 2। व्हाट काइंड ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इट इज? दैट इज द ड्यूटेरियम, यह ड्यूटेरियम है। दिस इज द आइसोटोप ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, यह हाइड्रोजन का आइसोटोप है। There are 3 isotopes of hydrogen: protium, deuterium and tritium. Protium, such type of hydrogen which has atom 1 and mass number is 1, that is protium. Such type of hydrogen which has atomic number 1 and mass number 2, that is deuterium. And such type of hydrogen which has atomic number 1 and mass number 3, that is tritium. In this way you have got about the isotopic nature of hydrogen. Children, now you have to say how much confidence you have got from this video. आज का यह वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा? यदि आज का यह वीडियो आपका आत्मविश्वास बढ़ाया हो and that is beneficial for you, please subscribe, share and like. If you face any kind of problem, you will also write in comment box on my YouTube link. Thank you very much.